Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to be making a bird. So we are starting off with the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. And we're just going to start by getting this piece of beech round to brown. There's the mid-size rougher to put a tenon so we can hold it in the chop. And the mid-size detailer so we can match the angles of the jaws. Alright, so we've got it split round in the jaws now, and we're going to get it down to the rough diameter that we want. And now we're going to start shaping. There's the mid-sized detailer there. Going to move the tail stop there, and then we're going to move that little nubbin on the end. And do a bit of shear scraping with the detailer. And take off the bottom end and round it off. Clean out some material with the rougher. And take it right round again with the detailer. There you go. Alright, so I've got it all marked out for the eyes and the beak, and now we're just going to drill some holes. So the eyes are actually plastic eyes, usually used for teddy bears, but I actually made the beak. There we go, here's the hole for the beak. Alright, so now we're just going to do some sanding with 240 grit from Klingspor abrasives. Clean the grain with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire grit abrasive paste. Just wipe this on until you get a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. There you go. Some Hampshire Sheen citrus burnishing oil. So this bird is going to be smelling nice. So you start the lathe off slow, put it on, and then build up that heat. Here's the first coat we're putting on now. And here is the second coat. You can put as many coats of this as you like on, but I only went for the 2. And once again, speed the lathe up fast and buff it in, building up the heat. There you go. Alright, so we have a piece of ash on the lathe here, and this is going to be the tail. Start with the mid-size finisher. Just getting it around. And onto the detailer. No, tell a lie, that's the rougher. That's the detailer, the micro detailer to be precise. Just cleaning up the end where the tailstock was in the wood. Alright, we're just going to do a bit of sanding here. That's up to 40 grit. Take the tailstock away and take a saw and remove that end. And now part it off. There you go. And now we're going to flatten the ends using the sanding pad in the chuck. There we go. And now we're going to get to the beak. This is the mid-size rougher. Turn it around and then we're going to taper it to a point. Here is the parting tool. There you go. Alright, some more sanding up to 240 grit here. And part it off. Alright, some Black Intrinsic Colours from Hampshire Sheen, which are going to stain them parts black. There you go. Some sanding sealer to seal them colours in. So this bird is part of a bigger picture or larger project. So keep an eye out next week for that. Thank you for watching. There'll be some pictures at the end. And hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.